Let's dive into Seize the Day. This is Graphic 45's boldest, brightest, most beautiful underwater collection. So you can see we've got 4 different embellishments that are going to go perfectly with all those fabulous papers. And we've got some new things in store for you with these paper packs. I am so excited to show you what we have been cooking up here at Graphic 45. So our 8x8s and our 12x12s now come with 24 double-sided sheets. You get 2 of each of the 8 decorative papers. So I'll show you here. You're gonna get 2 of each of these. So it makes your decision making easy when you're cutting up these papers. You have enough to use on all your projects. And you can see there are so many fabulous designs that are gonna be great for your summer photos, for your vacations, birthday cards. Look at these cut aparts. Seize the day, go with the flow. Let the sea set you free. Happiness comes in waves. And of course, the back side of those journaling cards. This paper is always a hit and sure to sell out. We've got these gorgeous sea turtles. So let us know what you're gonna create with these gorgeous papers in the comments below. So this is what is different with these 8x8 and 12x12 collection packs. So you've got 2 of each of those 8 double-sided sheets, and then you're also gonna get 2 of each of these coordinating patterns and solids. So these are incredible for completing your projects and making all the layers stand out. You've got papers for photo mats, and you don't have to go searching through your stash or at a craft store looking for a coordinating cardstock, because we got you covered. It's right in here in that collection pack for you. So you're gonna get that in the 8x8 as well as the 12x12. So the 12x12 is the same as the 8x8. You get 2 of each of those sheets. They're just a larger scale. So these are great for your 12x12 layouts, home decor projects, larger albums. And then a brand new item for us here is the 8.5 by 11 patterns and solids. So we have been doing our research. When we've been at the craft store, we've noticed that the new trend in paper crafting is no longer the 12x12 patterns and solids, but all the rage are these 8.5 by 11 sheets. So we delivered with these gorgeous sheets. So you're gonna get 2 of each of these. So you'll get a total of 16 sheets. A lot to work with here. You can see they come in 4 different hues. So we've got this gorgeous, is this magenta fuchsia? What color would you call this? A nice sunny gold, this Graphic 45 red, and a sea blue. So that all comes in the 8.5 by 11, and these are going to be great for any paper crafting project. Now let me show you these 4 embellishments. There's a little something for every style of project, and they do something different each one. So let me start off with the Seize the Day cardstock stickers. In this pack, you're going to get 2 6x12 sheets. So you can see there's a lot of great designs on here. This one is die cut out perfectly with the images in mind. So you gotta love these turtles, the fish, and how fun is this little star border. We've got some stamps on here, and then even some great sayings. Seize the day, dive into happiness. And then on your other sheet, we have some of our trusty favorites, the borders, which are always my first go-to sticker when using these. and some really great banners, frames, circles. So stickers make creating an absolute breeze, and you can use those on any project. And then we have these are always our best sellers, the Ephemera assortment. In this one, you're gonna get 69 die cut pieces in here. So much to play with. Let me just show you a handful of these. So they're gonna come in all different sizes, which is something we've been working on, is getting those to fit any size project. So we've got these little great stamps here. Starfish. How cute is this? Coral reef. Got even these tiny little bubbles, which will make a nice little pop onto your projects, and some great fish die cuts as well. So these are great for any expert crafters, beginner crafters. They just lend themselves to be added to any project, absolutely making your crafting experience so easy and fun. And we've got here our more dimensional pieces. These are our chipboard die cuts. They come with tags, frames, and pieces. And in here, you're gonna get 31 different pieces. So these have been new and improved with the last couple of releases, where we have added pieces to the chipboard tags and frames. So of course you still have these amazing frames and tag pieces with great sayings. Happiness comes in waves. But now we also have added on these great chipboard pieces that add so much dimension to your projects. So in there you get 31 different pieces, and here's just a sample of how I've used them on this card. So just taking the 12 by 12 collection pack papers, I created the base and layers. And then just to add some extra pop of shimmer and shine and dimension, I added a frame and a couple of fish, and then this congratulations chipboard. And then on the inside, just another little chipboard fish here. So you can see they really polish off a project. And then last but not least, we have our rub-on transfer set. You get 2 sheets in there. One is great for a mixed media background kind of thing. So instead of pulling out your stamps and inks, we got you covered with this one. And then here are our elements. You're gonna get a popsicle stick, so you can apply those onto all your surfaces. So here's our sheet number 1. And if you haven't tried rub-on transfers yet, they are so much fun to work with. And my favorite part is that you can use them on any kind of surface. So you could use these on fabric, glass, wood. So they're great for home decor. They're great for mixed media lovers, and really add that nice background layer of depth and dimension to your projects. So what do you think? Are you in love with this paper collection as much as we are here at Graphic 45? Let us know in the comments. Let us know what you're going to be creating with these, and go ahead and hop on over to our website, cheap45papers.com, to pick up this collection. And as always, happy paper crafting.